Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have something really special from Edifier. These are the Edifier QR65 speakers and they're absolutely amazing. We have them on white, this is how they look, and they work wirelessly. So we have LDAC, high resolution audio, high resolution wireless audio. The outside of the speakers is made out of PU leather. The front right here, it's some type of glass or plexiglass, but it has RGB, so it has that mirror effect. It's absolutely amazing. And if we have a look on the back of the box right here, we have some features. So 70 watt RMS, full digital signal processing, high resolution audio, splendid light effects, 65 watt fast charging. So basically on the back of the right speaker we have some ports. You can charge your devices, for example your phone, your keyboard, whatever you want to charge. We have a Bluetooth 5.3 subwoofer output and Edifier Connects app, which offers you a lot of customizability in terms of how you want to tune your speakers. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna set it up and put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a handful of accessories, and let's go through them one by one. So we have a quick start guide right here. Give this a read if you want to understand what the speakers can do, how to set them up, what's the best usage for you. Bluetooth, wire, depends of your scenario. I would prefer Bluetooth because wireless speaker, I think they're the future. Also on the back right here we have a QR code for the Edifier Connects app. Wouldn't matter if you're on iOS or Android, the QR code will send you to the right store, so make sure you check that out. As I said, you can customize the speakers even further. We have safety instructions, and we have a statement of compliance, and it says that we have 7 years warranty until from 2024 until 2031, which is absolutely great. 7 years warranty, it's a lot. They have included a USB type A to USB type A cable. This is used to connect the speakers to your device, PC, laptop, if you don't want to use a jack cable like this one. So we have the USB cable, we have a left and right cable that will connect to your audio output. We have our power supply cable. That's it. There's no bulky power supply. You just plug this into the right speaker and it's ready to go. We have the cable that will connect the speakers, because one of the speakers doesn't take power from a power supply, from a socket basically, so they share the power, which I think is absolutely great. So this will connect from the right to the left speaker. We have a cloth, obviously, to wipe the front of the speakers. They also included some stands which look absolutely beautiful. They have rubber feet, so we won't damage your desk. It says Edifier right here, and here it says a passion for sound. They included 2 of them. Obviously we're gonna have the speakers a bit raised to the desired position. Obviously if you're sitting at a desk, that will be literally in front of you, so I think that it's great that they included this. You don't have to buy it from anywhere else. Okay, so right now we have the speakers. If we have a look on the right speaker right here, we have a mode indicator, power button. We have a volume up and down, play and pause if you click on it. Light effects, you can change them from here. The intensity, because as I said, there is RGB effect all over. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. You can change it with the Edifier Connects app. And in the back we have left and right output. This will connect with this cable basically to your PC, to your line out. We have a line in, as I showed you, the USB type A to USB type A. Speaker output, that's the cable that connects from a speaker to the other. on and off switch, and the power supply socket right here. Right here we have a 65-watt GAN charger, 2 USB Type-Cs and 1 USB Type-A. You can charge your phone, you can charge your mouse, keyboard, whatever you want to charge. You don't have to have additional chargers. This speakers has it all. It's absolutely great. And right here we have another Edifier badge which says a passion for sound, and as you can see it's made out of PU leather. I'm not sure if the camera does it any favors if I zoom in, but yeah, it has an absolutely amazing finish. And the left speaker, it only has one socket right here to connect the cable that shares the power and audio. Pretty much that's it. It's very simple setup, very simple to use. They thought really about everything. So for now, let's go ahead and set everything up. I'm gonna show you guys how everything works and the lightning effects and how it sounds. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I set up both speakers. As you can see, they connected with one cable and it's running on Bluetooth right now on my phone. This is the Edifier Connects app. From here you can change the input source, sound effects. We got actually a couple sound effects, so classic, monitor, game, vocal, and customize. You can customize it the way you want. Light effects have this cool light flow effect, as you can see, but if we change it to static, we can basically choose any color we want. So for example, purple, yellow, blue, dark blue. It's got this cool mirror effect. I think it looks absolutely amazing. The stands are really pretty as well. It really fits the speakers. And if you want to have rainbow, you can have rainbow. You will switch between colors, but I like this light flow. I think it looks really cool. You can adjust the brightness as well, or you can adjust the brightness from the side. Turn it off. Now it's full. And also when you go up and down in volume, as you can see, you have this light effect, which is pretty cool. So this will indicate that it's at maximum volume. There is more features on the app. For example, fast charging. It will show you the devices that are plugged in, how much power are they receiving, the output power and the profile. And we have a volume control and pause and play button for your Spotify. So let's go ahead and get a sound test. Yep, that is the maximum volume. Of course, your ears will be way better than the sound coming from the speakers to a microphone and then to your ears. So these speakers are really great. In my opinion, they are a must-have from Edifier. They look absolutely amazing, very good quality. Everything just feels super premium. And if you guys want to buy them, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.